Right, everyone, welcome to this introductory session for ArcGIS CityEngine. In this session, we will cover a brief introduction to the software, introduce some helpful online sources. It will also walk through how to start a new project by creating a project and a scene, as well as how to get map data. ArcGIS CityEngine is an advanced 3D modeling software for creating massive, interactive, and immersive urban environments in less time than with traditional modeling techniques. The cities you create using ArcGIS CityEngine can be based on real-world GIS data or showcase a fictional city of the past, present, or future. It is a standalone desktop application created by E3. It is also capable of integrating with other ArcGIS products and other urban design applications. The software itself provides a series of tutorials and examples we can access. We can open up the CityEngine software and then go to Help, click Download Tutorials and Examples. And then let's start with the tutorial 1. Click this and then download. Once it downloads, we can see it from this Navigator tab, and then go to Scenes, open up a scene. The CityEngine user interface has several windows that can be repositioned and resized to suit your needs. This is a typical layout that when you first open up CityEngine. So on the top here, this is the main menu. This bar here is the toolbar, provides tools for manual drawing functions. And then on the left-hand side, the scene editor, it manages scenes, layers, objects, and scenarios. In the navigate bar here, it manages and previews files in the workspace. And here is the main viewport, which can provide single or multiple perspective cameras and scenarios. In the inspector here, it provides detailed editing and setting options of selected objects and scenarios. For example, if we select this, and we can see there's a series of setting options. Let's familiarize with some shortcuts for navigating. So the first one is this icon here, the rotate icon. Or we can press Alt and click to rotate the view. The second one is the pen icon here, or we can press Alt and click the wheel button to move around the view. And the third one is the zoom icon, or we can press Alt and right click to zoom in and out the camera view. Lastly, we can press this icon to frame all viewpoints. Let's create your own new project. Go to File, New, and then in this dialog box, click CityEngine, then select CityEngine Project. Click Next, and then rename the project. You can select to use the default location, or you can unselect to browse a location. Just make sure to remember where you saved. We will just use the default location here, and then click Finish. As we can see, our project is created in the navigator. Now let's create a new scene. So there are multiple ways you can create a scene. The first one is go to File, New, and then same underneath the CityEngine folder to create a new CityEngine scene. Or we can select this project folder we just created, and then right click, go to New, and create a new CityEngine scene. Let's rename it, called just Scene 1, and click Finish. Nope. And then the new scene is created under this folder here, the scenes folder, and you can see scene 1 is here. The engine allows you to get map data from ArcGIS Online, which can help you quickly and easily add context such as streets, parcels, terrain, and base map to an existing scene. So in this step, you may be asked to sign in. You can use your university UPI to sign in ArcGIS and just type in UOA in the ArcGIS organizational URL. If you have any issues with your sign-in, please contact us. Before we're doing that, we need to make sure one scene has been selected. So as we can see here, scene 1 is selected. And then go to File and get Map Data. And we can type in the address location here. Just type Auckland for now. And then zoom in to the waterfront area. And then we can click the Set Extent and adjust a bit. On the right-hand side, we can select the base map resolution. Make sure to select medium 2K for now for the base map resolution for smooth downloading, because the 4K resolution might face some issues. And then make sure the get terrain is ticked to include elevation data with your map. Under this OpenStreetMap, we can tick the download networks for street data as well as download footprints for building footprints data, and then click OK. In this OSM OpenStreetMap dialog, we recommend to select all the boxes highlighted here apart from the last one, and then just click Finish. Now, as we can see, the map with terrain, street, and building footprints aligned to the elevation data is added to your CityEngine scene. At the moment, all the elements has been selected, or we can also press Ctrl and A to select all the elements. And then click here, the generator. This will create buildings and street networks based on the ArcGIS data and CityEngine own built-in algorithm. As we can see, the buildings have been generated. Just need to note that the height and size of the building footprints are not 100% accurate, and this is just designed to help you with generating quick conceptual context and shadow studies for your works. For more realistic buildings, we can select an appropriate style for building footprints in the inspector here, and we can go to the shapes and select from this section. We can select, for example, generic medium town style. As we can see, the buildings have been automatically changed. As we can see now, the building facade has been changed. Or we can also change the facade from visualization options and representation. We can either choose realistic with facade, which is the current one, or we can just choose solid color. It will show like this. Just need to note that all these buildings are automatically generated by CityEngine's own algorithm, so the building heights are not accurate. If we want to change the building height, firstly we can click the blank area to unselect everything. Now we can select a specific building. For example, let's choose this one by clicking this building here, and in the inspector you can see the building sets, and then we go change the building settings here. You can change this height from 14 meters to, for example, 30 meters. As we can see, the building height has been changed. And there are also many other settings we can choose from. For example, this is a ridge height. we can change to 32 meters. And then we can also change the roof form to gable and also change the visualization options. Pick a color, pink one, press OK. And for this facade texture, we can also change the ground floor height from 4.5 meters to 3.5 meters. As we can see, the ground floor has been shortened. And there are many more other settings we can explore. That's for this session of the tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.